How to find nearby Reels account. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Instagram tutorial video. In this video I am going to show how to find nearby Instagram Reels account. And if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Turn on your location. Navigate your Reels button. Tap top left corner Reels and select Nearby option. Now you can find your nearby Reels making accounts. I hope if this video helps you, and if you can get more Instagram tips and tricks, visit my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.